In this video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Logitech 923 to PlayStation 5. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. The Logitech G923 is natively compatible with your PlayStation 5. You just need to make sure that you bought the correct model. So there are two models of the Logitech G923. One is designed for Xbox consoles and the other one is for PlayStation consoles. As long as your Logitech G923 has the PlayStation logo on it as a button, then it means that you will be able to connect it to a PlayStation 5 natively. All that you have to do is unbox it and use the provided USB cable to connect it to your console. So plug in the pedals and the shifter if you have those accessories, and once they are attached to the base of the steering wheel, you will be able to plug the provided USB cable originating from the steering wheel base itself to any of the available USB ports on the PlayStation 5. Once this is done, it is going to get automatically detected and recognized as a controller. So as long as your console is turned on, you will be able to navigate through all of the menus using the D-pad, pressing the buttons on the controller, and once you get inside of a compatible game, you will be able to use your steering wheel. So most games are going to have native support for it. As long as a game was designed to be used with a steering wheel, you will be able to go over to these settings, navigate through the menus using the steering wheel, and of course drive around. So an example would be Gran Turismo 7 or Need for Speed Heat. And as long as the steering wheel was properly connected to any of the available USB ports, it is going to be working right away. You don't need to download any drivers, you don't need to update firmware, it should be plug and play. So as long as it is properly working and you have the right model designed for PlayStation consoles, it is going to work out of the box. Just connect it to any of the available USB ports, and once you are done, you can remove it by unplugging it from the USB port. It is going to turn off automatically and you will be good to go. I hope I was able to help you on how to connect Logitech G923 to PlayStation 5. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.